Do you want your child to be a strong and confident reader? If so, there are 5 essential skills that your child must master. The 5 pillars of reading are backed by science and proven to set kids up for lifelong literacy success. In this video, I'll break them down for you. What are they? Why do they matter? And exactly how can you strengthen each one of these at home? The Scarborough Reading Rote model shows that reading isn't just one skill. It's a combination of multiple literacy skills working together. If any one of these pillars are weak, reading struggles follow. As a certified teacher and literacy specialist, I've worked with countless families, and I've seen firsthand how focusing on these 5 pillars can transform even the most reluctant readers into confident, curious learners. That's why we created the Early Childhood Reading Program, to give parents and educators a simple, research-backed system to teach these critical skills at home. Now let's break down the 5 foundational skills every child needs to become a confident, capable reader. These are the 5 pillars of reading success, and they work best when built together. The first is phonemic awareness. This is the ability to hear and work with individual sounds and words. The next is phonics, learning how letters and sounds connect to form words. Fluency. This is the ability to read smoothly, accurately, and with expression. Vocabulary. Understanding the meaning of words and building comprehension. Finally, we have comprehension, making meaning from what's read. Unlike outdated approaches that rely on guessing and memorization, structured literacy explicitly teaches these skills, step by step, in the right order, and with plenty of support. The Early Childhood Reading curriculum is built on this framework, ensuring your child builds a rock-solid foundation in reading right from the start. Here are a few practical strategies you can use at home. For phonemic awareness, you can clap out syllables, play rhyming games, or stretch and blend sounds together. For phonics, you can teach letter-sound relationships using multisensory tools. You can also play rhyming and sound blending games in the car or during bath time. For fluency, encourage repeated reading of familiar books to build fluency and confidence. For vocabulary, you can talk about interesting new words during play, story time, or while you're out and about. You can also introduce 1 new word a day and use it in different contexts. Then for comprehension, you can ask open-ended questions, make predictions, and encourage your child to retell stories in their own words. Want a proven, step-by-step way to teach these 5 essential reading skills? You can click the link below to grab your early childhood reading curriculum today. In this program, you'll get structured literacy-based workbooks with teacher instructions and student handouts, engaging phonics-based flashcards, and step-by-step instructional videos that guide you along the way. Everything you need is here to build strong, confident readers, whether you're at home or in the classroom. Ready to get started? Click the link below and let's build that foundation together.